Hey guys, so I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel and I decided to buy a GoPro 8. This thing is retailed at $450 minus $100 because it's on sale. Comes with a stand, headgear, holder, an extra battery, and an SD card. Not a bad deal. I mean, this thing is retailed right now. It's going for $400 minus $50. So at $350, I pretty much get the same savings, but with all this extra stuff. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what's inside. All right. Okay, so it comes with, well, here's the GoPro. It's got a nice, it's tiny. It's tinier than I thought. This is my first time owning a GoPro, so I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm kind of excited. Let's see, so I can take this box out. What is in here? Actually, you know what? Let me unscrew this and just take a look at this GoPro 8. Let's see if I can unscrew this. Pretty cool. Comes with the hinges. There seems to be a protective screen here. There's a power button. I guess this is the battery case. I guess you just pop that out and then what happens? Pull this hinge. You know, it's not bad. You can't tell if it's cheap or not, but it feels fine. And the metal casing on the outside, pretty sturdy. Okay, let's find the battery and turn this bad boy on. Oh, so I can actually lift this thing. And instruction says to pinch this thing and pull it out. Okay. Okay. Let's pull this out. We got some instructions on how to mount this thing, how to set up the camera. That could be kind of useful. Wow, and here's all the stuff. Here's the head unit. Oh, and there's the stand. Wow, all that fits in here. Pretty neat. So here's the stand. That's kind of neat. And then it like folds out. How does this thing fold out? Okay, so here's the stand. Here's one of the batteries. It comes with 2 batteries. Here's the SD card, and it's at 32 gigabytes. Here's the headpiece, head unit, strap. I'll take that part apart later. It's USB to USB 3, possibly. Oh, and a camera mount. So I can mount this thing. Oh, so this is actually another camera mount that I can use. Strap it on something. Strap this on. I have a camera mount. So it comes with a camera mount too. That's pretty neat. All right, let's put this battery in there. So pull this out, pull that out, and then maybe shove it in like this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And I think I need to get rid of this cover. Maybe. Okay, so download the app, unscrew it, put the battery in. Oh, and the SD card. I gotta put the SD card in too. I can charge it by opening the case, okay. Power button's over here. Yeah, I definitely gotta remove this thing. Otherwise, can't see anything. There we go. Okay, so it looks like I gotta install the app, leave the camera on, follow the app instructions. So I gotta actually have the app in order to use this camera. Let me put it back on the base. Not bad. This is what it is. So I gotta actually take the battery out. So actually, I'm gonna turn this off first. And take the battery out, because I actually gotta put the the SD card. So I don't have to take the battery out. I can just put the SD card in here. Okay. All right, so this is it. This is the camera. It's GoPro camera. And I'm just gonna level it. Make sure that's nice and flat. Pretty neat. You know what? I'm pretty happy with this stuff. Got another battery. That's awesome. Gonna use this later. So for $350, not a bad deal. Not sure what this thing is. Must be another LCD screen.